do something like that. It's not okay, ma'am. It must stop now. You need to go. Take your structure. Go with it.
Bazifumene namhlanje uninzi lwabasebenzi eSABC iincwadi zokudendwa kwabo emsebenzini. Oku kudala isangxwe nokukhathazeka kubasebenzi becandelo leendaba kweliziko losasazo.
We have been keeping this ship alive. We worked during coronavirus. We were in wards
Every day.
every day with people who have contracted the coronavirus.
Some got infected.
People here got infected with the virus.
We kept
These are mothers, fathers, grandfathers, grandmothers.
She was at home.
When they raised money for us and took it back, we worked. How much more sacrifice must we make for SABC?
Including people that do sales, because that's where we make our money. You understand? To come tell us, Uthi, here, you'll take this away, you'll take this. Okay, fine. But to come give us redundancy letters, where's yours? All of you, where's yours? Because
want to know.
That's where we need to speak, because the issue here seems to be the person is not okay.
Kule ntlanganiso baphathi bebavuma ukuba khange bafakane imilomo nabasebenzi ngokufanelekileyo kule nkqubo ka-section 189 yokudendwa kwabo.
The union still failed to produce one alternative or one criteria for us to use. It was a delaying tactic that they used to just drag the process on. And I said it to them and I'll say it again, they failed their members in doing that.
Igosa eliphezulu elongamele icandelo leendaba eSABC lelava uxinzelelo lusuku kubasebenzi ze lazibophelela ngokumisa inkqubo yokudenda abasebenzi kwicandelo leendaba neenkqubo-ndaba.
In the context of what has been said, the COO was here, and in the presence of group executive and my colleague behind me, who is in charge of technology, as a person who accounts to you, and as a person who expects you to do your job as in delivering on the public mandate, here's what I'm going to commit to. I will go and negotiate it afterwards. But at this point, for the work of the public service to continue, I will talk to Rubeja, I will talk to whoever is senior. But for my responsibility to the newsroom, I'm sorry, Rubeja, yeah, I cannot continue to those letters. Yes!
Kodwa kuza kubonakala kuyikudala ukuba isithembiso sikaNkosikazi Magopeni siza kusindisa imisebenzi kusini na.